This morning, a second wave of the coronavirus has hit Florida. That's according to new research at Johns Hopkins. We're only 11 days into June, and we've already seen more than 11,000 new cases. That number is nearly half of what we saw for the entire month of May. Let's get right over to Kara. Kara, it does seem like it would be common sense, reopening, more people out and about. That is causing the spike. But what are experts telling you?
That's right, Matt, and that is something that experts say could play a big role in the increase in numbers. Right now, we're going to be looking at the most up-to-date numbers on the state's dashboard. Here you can see yesterday alone, over 1,300 new cases of coronavirus reported. This marks a steady streak of several days where we've seen more than 1,000+ cases being reporting. The numbers matching some of our highest numbers back in April, and doctors, they're concerned. We caught up with an infectious disease specialist who says, although he is concerned, he's not surprised by this spike, saying it is expected that this would happen as the state started reopening, and that what we are seeing is more and more people maybe getting a little too relaxed when it comes to taking these precautions seriously.
Right after the social distancing measures were instituted, we saw this very nice drop in the number of admitted patients. We had a peak of about 80 patients in the hospital and went down to 40 to 35 patients. We are back to 85 patients. I am concerned that this new phase of opening the economy, along with the protests, it will create a very ripe situation for the virus to spread more easily.
And as he just mentioned there, the recent protests following George Floyd's death, he says that it's still too early to tell how the large gatherings going all across the nation could impact these numbers, but he expects to have a better idea of its impact sometime next week. Now, in the meantime, the governor, he attributes the spike in numbers to increased testing. Also, just last week, he suggested Miami and Broward residents are better at wearing their masks than people here in Palm Beach County. Ashley.